and not just for the taste of it. They're going to get benefits from that, and if it has an added advantage of healing also, I think it'll be a wonderful idea and people should take it. I'm Dr. Navneet Kaur. I practice in Delhi. I am a root canal specialist, and for long we've been telling people not to have candies, but this is very interesting and innovative, as now I can actually tell my patients to have candies, and not just for the taste of it. They're going to get benefits from that, and every time the patient visits to the clinic, we tell them to do a pre-procedural mouth rinse. So whatever we are giving them, it's quite, it has alcohol, produces burning sensation. I just tried the mouthwash and it's yummy, and I just drank it also. But so if I can give this kind of experience to my patients, definitely it is going to help, and I would recommend recommend everybody to use such products in the clinic, which are safe, and so people can eat candy guilt-free. So very good idea. It's a great idea. I feel people do need something like this after post-surgically, because more often they keep asking us what to do, how can we hasten the healing period. So something like this can actually be a breakthrough, and it can be quite beneficial, and if it has an added advantage of healing also, I think it will be a wonderful idea and people should take it. I think this is going to be a bliss in the life of a diabetic patient, because they are the ones who are the most restricted people, and if they can enjoy something guilt-free, then that's very nice, and I think it's a boon for those people.